I think that I see this as the future of wellbeing for whānau Māori, and I think that this is something that needs to be incorporated in health.
That whole context, that whole kaupapa, I think, the kaupapa that's right through the whole experience.
The singing,
the
waiata, man, beautiful.
Yeah.
That, I think, for me, sort of helped me get into the zone of not focusing on the pain.
Yeah.
Like maybe about here,
Okay.
so it's like stuck.
Yeah. And how far can you lift it now?
Like,
Magic.
yeah.
Magic.
I'm happy to be Māori and I'm happy to have my whakapapa, and I feel I'm with my tūpuna more now.
Nothing I've ever experienced before, and all I could really do was cry.
Yeah.
Something along the way during the 20-minute process kind of released something in me. Unexplainable.
Yeah.
I couldn't really do much with my shoulder, and then after that I could...
How's it going now?
I could lift it up now.
You couldn't do that before?
Yeah.
I just wish we had somewhere we could go locally to have mirimiri.
I didn't actually know how heavy I felt when I walked in compared to now. It was only 20 minutes, it felt like a minute, it went too quick.
But in that minute,
I had a cry.
I had a cry too.
I had a good, a wee release. It was, I do feel lighter.
Do an MRI because I couldn't bend my knee.
Yeah.
I'm bending my knee. I was amazed at this. I am impressed at this. I'm shocked at this and would recommend this.
Phenomenal. It's kind of beyond words, really. The music and the prayer and stuff, and I absolutely loved that. So it felt quite spiritual.
I feel lighter and like something has definitely been released and taken off me.
I just feel so great right now. I feel, and it was just what I needed at the right time.
I'm so wrapped that I come. Just feel so lighter and better, and yeah.
It normally feels like I have a belt round the chest all the time, and I'm fighting to breathe, but it's coming a lot easier to breathe from that session.
All that sore back I had before isn't there. The lower back is always sore. So I'm not feeling any pain at all.
I don't want to leave, and I want to learn how to do it.
I mean, I'd like to find out a bit more about it.
Yeah.
Is that a traditional?
Yes, traditional healing.
Yeah. Wow.
I did cry. I just had tears that I just don't know why, and I couldn't, just crying, but it felt amazing, and I felt release.
Probably one of the best massages, experience all over it. It was just the waiata that was going, it was just, I felt in a good space of wairua.
I've had my lower back done, and I, for the first time in I don't know how long, can touch the back of my heel, which I've not been able to do. It's really great.
I could sense that it was emotionally, physically, spiritually nourishing.
I feel like relief. I feel really relaxed and really at ease.
Yeah, no, just feel different, feel good.
It was pretty deep, and it was incredibly emotional.
It was awesome. I feel real light now. I feel light and
Yep, I think that was one of the the best treatments I've had. I'd definitely do it again.
And I just wanted to release and let things go, and that's exactly what I felt like I've done.
Felt all those pressure points, and I just felt it like just lift.
And just listening to the other people talking, it's made a big difference to a lot of people.
Being taken there safely and then released was like, it was quite an exhilarating feeling.
And that was quite profound. That actually left me crying. So.
because it's not the same as a miri. It's just not. I mean, they may like fix some parts of you, but this goes deeper. This goes right through to your core.
Unbelievable. When I've taken painkillers for, those things that I almost feel like I don't have it anymore.
See, like I just feel great, and I just wish we had like better access to this kind of stuff here. Proper, instead of having to go through all these other avenues, or they try to give you painkillers and stuff like that. You don't need it when you have this.